Introduction to QTP. Quick Test Professional, properly known by its acronym, QTP is a flagship functional testing tool from Mercury Interactive now acquired by HP. It's an icon-based tool which automates the functional and regression testing of an application. QTP is easier to use and implement for both technical and non-technical testers in comparison to other functional testing tools available. QTP is a market leader in functional automation tool with over 50% market share. Let's look into certain key features of QTP. Scripting language used is VBScript, which is easy to use, understand, and program. For a background, earlier automation tools used proprietary scripting languages. For example, WinRarray used TSL, Test Script Language. This caused an additional burden on automation engineers to master these proprietary languages, leaving alone the challenges faced during automation. Being proprietary, the amount of knowledge, resources, and support available for these languages were limited. In case of QTP, there is no need to learn any proprietary scripting language, and the automation engineer can start scripting right from the word go if he already knows VBScript. VBScript is very popular and has extensive knowledge, resources, and support over the internet. Uses ActiveScreen technology to record scripts, which aids the tester in referring to the screen's object properties. Library files contain VBScript functions and subroutines that can be added to the test. QTP enables business process testing for non-technical subject matter experts working in Quality Center to collaborate effectively with automation engineers working in Quick Test Professional. In simple words, using QTP and Quality Center, one can enable an infrastructure where a person with no QTP knowledge can build and run automated test scripts. Various versions available are 8.2, 9.5, 10. Supports major development environments. With succeeding versions, QTP makes its IDE more and more user-friendly, making it easier to script while the core functionalities remain the same. Following environments are supported by QTP. For every environment supported, there is a corresponding add-in available. In simple words, say you want to automate test scripts for your website. In QTP, you will select the web add-in and go ahead with your test. The tutorials have been recorded using QTP version 9.5, but you may use any higher or lower versions for your learning purposes, since the focus of this tutorials is to teach you core QTP automation techniques and not learning the QTP IDE. For all hands-ons in these tutorials, we'll be using flight reservation application which comes bundled with QTP. So before we begin with QTP, let's quickly look at flight reservation.